Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, Prof. Fawzia. Assalamu alaikum, Prof. Hazleen. Today, inshallah, in our lab, in my lab here, I will show you my other prototype I have done in the project. This prototype, simply as been mentioned before in our project, it actually shows you here our BVs and our photocells, which is the LDRs, the 4 of them here. This all connected actually in BC in the MATLAB programs right there, and our data is shown right there in the MATLABs. We're gonna show you later on the numbers of resistance are we collecting from our prototype. Also, our BVs are connecting. Also, we have as tested. We have connected on voltages here to check out the voltage are hitting our sunshine on the BVs. Of course, this has been done, and I've done my real data I've showed you before on the real Kuwait weathers. But now today in our lab, I'm gonna put some flashing light on it. So in our flashing light, you will see how the dual axes are different from the single axis we mentioned before. The dual axis, as you mentioned before, it moves in all counterclockwise, and we can demonstrate it now by putting the light on. Can we put the light on? If we switch on our prototype, and we see here how precise that moving is from LDRs, and also the catching the voltages from the BVs. And now when it's moving all in the clockwise and also all in the axis, we are talking about the horizontal and vertical axis, all that all would need to collect the data that's shown in the BC. I just showed you recently, basically. That data are collecting in the time, you can see here, as in the timing, and also as he says as a photo cells V, which is the y-axis here showing the collecting resistance. Of course, I told you before, I mentioned before that resistance has to be converted to voltage. Of course, last but not least, this is all connecting in Arduino Uno right there is shown, and also connecting on a power supply, and simply as it is like this. Hopefully you like this. Thank you very much.